Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. Make sure both you and the contact have the latest WhatsApp and that location services are enabled on your phone. Once done, open the exact individual or group chat where you expect a live location. Tap the paperclip or plus icon to open attachments. Select location. You do this now because live location requires initiating from a chat. It cannot be viewed from settings alone. This step gets you to the share screen and prepares the contact to send or receive a live feed. Next, you select Share Live Location and pick how long you want updates to be active. Options are usually 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. Make sure you grant WhatsApp location permission while using the app so the coordinates are accurate. After you send, the map appears in chat. The recipient taps the thumbnail to open full-screen live tracking. This matters because duration and permissions control battery use and privacy. Longer shares mean more continuous updates, while shorter shares reduce background activity. Finally, to end sharing, you tap Stop Sharing on the map card in chat. This immediately halts updates. You should also confirm the contact sees the map and that the blue dot moves. If it does not, check GPS accuracy, app permissions, and background data or battery optimization settings because these often block updates. If problems persist, restart WhatsApp or the phone, then ask the contact to reshare live location. This sequence resolves most issues and keeps control of your privacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.